All right, let's go ahead and show you what's going on. 50 right here in the metro looks good, not bad. Northwest winds 9 miles an hour, a little breezy, but nothing that's causing any problems here as we push throughout the night. Big changes on the way, and you have to look over to Clayton to start to see them. Temperatures, they're in the mid-20s right now. We're in the 30s in Raton, and the temperatures in Raton dropping very, very quickly for us right now. So essentially what we're doing here is watching this cold front start to push its way on into the state. As it does that, the chance of snow will start to increase for us across the northeast, and of course we'll see those gusty winds as well. Down to the south, temperatures in the 40s, 50s, and 60s right now. The wind speeds at this point, 24 Clayton, 29 Tucumcari, 35 in Clovis, so those winds already starting in the northeast, and that's just going to push on in throughout the night as well. So a lot of wind headed in our direction, much cooler temperatures as well, especially across eastern New Mexico for us as well. Current wind chills show the real danger in this system for tonight and tomorrow morning. 21 below right now in Casper at a wind chill, 8 below Denver, 1 below in Pueblo. Those kind of numbers are headed into northeastern New Mexico for tonight, especially around the, say, 8 below number, I think, is about what we're going to be dealing with tonight. I don't think we'll be as dangerous as Casper is right now because they've got much colder air in place, but still, we're going to have to deal with that throughout the night tonight. Satellite and radar shows pretty clearly here where our cold front is. It is right across southeastern Colorado right now, knocking on the door across New Mexico. So we have some snow up across eastern Colorado, and some of that eventually is going to be a factor across northeastern New Mexico later on tonight, and we'll show you that in our full look at where the precipit's going to fall here in just 1 second. But the overall setup is definitely for our cold front across the northeast for tonight, pushing all across eastern New Mexico later on tonight. So a very cold night, and then light snow will be possible across northeastern New Mexico into tomorrow morning, and then those gusty winds as well. So you're going to want to watch those wind chills. That's a huge concern for us, especially across the northeast and into east central sections. As far as what we're looking at for snow tonight, snow showers developing across northeastern New Mexico later on tonight and into tomorrow morning. 1 to 3 inches of snow will be a possibility here. Could some of these snow showers push into the East Mountains? Yeah, they could. I don't think it's going to be a huge factor, but it's a possibility. So mainly, again, across the east where that real cold air resides in through tomorrow morning. Still not a real big deal for us. I'm not too concerned about it as far as accumulating snows go, but when you consider the gusty winds, the very cold temperatures, and a little bit of snow, especially across the northeast, it's worth watching. Now, we do have another little weather disturbance that's going to kick in behind this one. It could touch off some snow showers across the Sacramentos into Friday and across southeastern New Mexico. This is worth watching. This, too, could dump an inch or two of snow. It's probably a little overstated. Dumping an inch or two really doesn't seem to go together. But an inch or two of snow will be a possibility across the south to kind of wrap this up before things calm down over the weekend and we see some improvement. So let's go region by region for you. Northwest temperatures going to be in the 30s for us for tomorrow. Just partly cloudy skies here, and you can see those temperatures do start to moderate into the weekend, but staying cool in Durango and Farmington over the next couple of days. And those overnight lows, definitely going to be cold stuff out there as well. Down across the south and west, temperatures for the most part going to be in the 40s and 50s for us. Still going to see some sunshine for tomorrow, but definitely 10 to 15 degrees below average there. Southeast, very, very cold. Considering today we got into the 60s, tomorrow nowhere near that, just the 30s. And the Roswell 7-day outlook shows that we will be cold the next few days, then a rebound over the weekend. And, yeah, the possibility of that snow shower in and around the Roswell area by Friday. Across the northeast, what we have to watch for tonight, frigid temperatures, gusty winds, and, yes, an inch or two of snow possible by tomorrow. Those cold temperatures continue, as you can see, into the 20s. Meanwhile, northern mountains, gusty winds tonight. I think 1 to 3 inches of snow, especially along the east slope of the Sangre de Cristos for tonight, with those temperatures tomorrow 20s and 30s, and that includes Santa Fe as well, where we could see a brief snow shower late tonight and into tomorrow morning, but it's nothing I'd worry about too much. East Mountains, very gusty winds late tonight, and temperatures tomorrow just into the 30s. And here in the Albuquerque area, we're going to get the front probably early tomorrow morning. We could see a spinning snow shower or two, but more than anything else, just much cooler temperatures across the area throughout the day tomorrow. 7-day forecast shows things stay cool for us for the next couple of days, and then the temp rebound comes over the weekend with partly sunny skies.
All right. Thank you, Mark. Sports.